some coyote scat on the Silver Mine Road. We got a very nice sunset. Got the campfire going right below the full moon. Some coyotes at night. It's about 3:33. All right, the rain is coming down. Now it's pretty heavy. I just arrived with my friend David, and we are on Silver Mine Lake, and we're gonna hike to Black Rock Mountain, is it? Oh, Black Mountain. Okay, we're hiking to Black Mountain, and today is gonna be really good weather, but tomorrow we're gonna get rain. Silver Mine Lake. Got some beautiful rock formations on Silver Mine Lake. Tonight we're camping on Black Mountain, and there's going to be no water up there. It's going to be a dry camp. So I have to gather water in advance. So I'm going to carry a gallon of water up there, and I found a nice stream that I'm going to get the water from. So I'll scoop up some water and then filter it, and I'll have water for tonight. Got the wood burning stove going, and I'm gonna have an early dinner. I added some Fritos to my dinner. For dessert, I'm having a cup of coffee, strong cup of coffee, and an Aleve. I'm leaving Bryan Memorial Shelter, and I'm going up the Appalachian Trail to Black Mountain, where I'm going to meet my friend David. I'm on the Appalachian Trail / Ramapo Dunderberg Trail. This red dot means it's the Ramapo Dunderberg Trail, and we're coming up on the White Blaze, which is the Appalachian Trail. So this trail is an overlap of two trails heading to Black Mountain. I just got an update from my friend David. All the campsites on top of Black Mountain are taken. So I'm going to meet David at Silver Mine Road, and then we're going to go look for a campsite somewhere else. Some coyote scat on the Silver Mine Road. It has hair in it, so it was probably eating, rabbits or maybe a deer carcass. We got a very nice sunset. And in the background, you could hear the Spring Peepers. We're getting set up. I got my tent set up. David's got his hammock set up. And this campsite is used maybe once every 10 years. So there's a ton of firewood. So once we get set up, we'll get a nice fire going. But look at that sunset. Beautiful. Got the campfire going right below the full moon. Okay, my friend David is setting up his stove, and he uses his phone to level it. Look at that. Pretty cool. It also gives our GPS coordinates. And David is going to make some experimental soup.
Trying out the stuff.
There's David drawing out stuff at the campfire under the full moon. some coyotes at night. It's about 3:33. I did not sleep well last night. My mattress kept deflating. It has a leak, so every hour my mattress was completely deflated and I was on the cold ground, so I had to roll off the mattress, blow it up, and then when it was inflated, roll back onto it with my quilt. And I had to do that probably like maybe 9 or 10 times last night. So I woke up and I don't know how many times. And because I woke up, I remembered a lot of weird dreams. And now it's time to get the bear bag.
But if we hike the mystery trail, I would put my little GPS on.
We're packing up in the rain, and like clockwork, the rain started at 9 o'clock as they predicted. The rain was on and off before that, but like the full-on rain is starting, and we woke up to a nice fog. So we're going to hike out in the rain, and it's going to be very refreshing, and I'm sure we'll see a bunch of pop-up springs. We took an old probably Civilian Conservation Corps road in this, or maybe it might be a mine road. It's the Silver Mine Road, and you can see the stonework of the road. The stonework's beautiful, and a lot of effort went into this road, and this road leads to nowhere, but it leads to our campsite. We're on the Silver Mine Road heading out, and we got some decent fog and also rain. The rain isn't too bad now, but it's going to pick up. All right, the rain is coming down. Now it's pretty heavy. So we're going to take this road all the way back to the parking lot. But low sections in the forest are starting to fill up with water. And it's not too bad though, as long as you keep moving. The low sections are starting to fill up with water, so getting a decent amount of rain. The Silver Mine Road has sections that have like a carpet of grass and moss, really beautiful, and a nice surface to hike on. This is where the green road starts, but then down further it turns back into rock. So it's going to be rock from this point back to Silver Mine Lake. And this is a nice stream that is feeding into Silver Mine Lake. And with the rain and the snow melt, all the streams are running. Okay, this is Goshen the bear, and he's hanging out for the ride on David's backpack. He's a little wet, but he's having a good time. We decided to take a shortcut across this creek. The water is pretty high. We completed the shortcut and shaved maybe a mile off our hike. Was there a Steven Spielberg movie, not Steven, Stephen King movie called The Fog or something?
I wouldn't doubt it. It sounds like it.
Yeah. Who knows what's out in that fog, what lurks in the fog.